Hi, friends. Happy Friday. We're ready for Sunday lesson 68. Here we go. We're going to read our sounds. Ing, s. We're going to spell some sounds. Oh, we just had a few today. So I want you to spell the R. Write down the two letters that make the R sound together. Remember, that's like a bossy R. When we have a vowel with that R, it just says one name, and it's A-R. Very good. Now, please write down sh. That's a blend. What two letters make that sh sound? That's right, S-H. Very good. And then we have S. This means more than one. We add it to the end of the word, es. It would be E-S. All right, now can you write down ow, the sound ow? What two letters make the ow sound that come before an N or an L? Like town or owl. Okay, that would be O-W. Okay, long A at the end of a word. If we have a long A and it's at the end of the word, what two letters is that? Like play, bay, A-Y. Very good. Okay, oi in the middle of the word. The oi sound, but in the middle of the word. Like foil. O-I. Good job, friends. And then oo in the middle of the word, two different ways. If we have oo in the middle of the word, how can we make that two different ways? We could do O-O, or we could do U, consonant E. All right, nice job, friends. All right, and we're ready to read our words. Here we go. Just move my little camera. We have higher, scrimping, preaches, fears, ridges, lighting, coaches, whirling, remains, grunted, flights, rooster, poacher, routers, pledges, teaches, fringes, thrashing, staying, vampires, roaches, rights, cranking, lodges, crown, blue, dreamer, large, cleaning, crew, peak, wool, sense, here, leaf, starve, stew, showing, reaching, freeze, drew, fringe, weak, plunge, chewing, ridge, neater, price, barge, hedge, peach, fear, fence, through, meal, brew, snatch, gear, meet, flight. And our sentences: do not complain so much. Explain the concept to your classmate. Stretch your hamstrings before you run. Can you do a back handspring? And we're going to spell some words. All right, the first word is munch is. Say it, munch is. Let's spell it. Ch, es. So munch is. Good job. All right, our next word is staying. Say it, staying. Let's spell it st-a-ing. Go ahead and write it. St-a and then ing, I-N-G. All right, our next word is moister. Let's say it, moister. Let's spell it, oy-st-er. Oy-st-er. Good job. I want you to go ahead and break that word, moister, where you would segment it. What are the 2 syllables in that word? Show me where you would break it. So we've got a vowel. Oh, we've got vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Where would we break it? We would break it right here. And then our first part is a closed syllable, and our last part is a closed syllable. All right. Now we have a sight word. The word is only. So go ahead and say it. Only. That's O-N-L-Y, only. I'm going to give you 3 more sight words to spell. The next one is they. Say it. They. Go ahead and write it. T-H-E-Y, they. Our next word is want. Say it. Want. Let's spell it. W-A-N-T, want. And our last sight word is very. Say it. Very. Let's spell it. V-E-R-Y, very. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and erase my words up on the top line here and the bottom line. The next word I want you to spell is clowns. So more than one. Clowns. So let's say it, clowns, and spell it. K-O-W-N-S. Clowns. All right, one more to erase. All right, let's spell it. We have C-L-O-W-N-S, clowns. Okay, our next word is lunches. You say it, lunches. Let's spell it. L-un-ch-es. Lunches. Good job. Okay, I'm going to have you break this word apart like we did. We've got the ending ing. So the word is pointing. You say it, pointing. Pa-oy-n-t-ing. So when I break that apart, if I can see a suffix or a prefix, I want to break it right before that suffix or after that prefix. So we would have point and then break apart the ing. Okay, and both of those are closed syllables because they end with a consonant. Very good. Okay, our next word is smarter. You say it, smarter. Let's spell it. S-m-r-t-er. Smarter. Let's go ahead and write it. Smarter. Okay. And our last word we're going to spell is howls. You say it. Howls. Let's spell it. Ow-ol-s. Howls. And I am going to actually have you do one more word. Sorry, I lied. The word is tosses. You say it. Tosses. We're going to write it. T-a-s-es. So this one has a double consonant, S-S, tosses. All right, we have one sentence to write and 3 new sight words to learn. So the sentence is, he will need a liver transplant. 6 words. Repeat it. He will need a liver transplant. All right, let's write it. He will need a liver transplant, period. Very good. All right, so make sure you add the capital and the period at the end. You add the E, okay, and ter that we talk about, and will. All right, very good. All right, our new sight words today, we've got 3, are many. Oh, okay. Then they want us to write it, so let's go ahead and write that 2 times. M-A-N-Y, many. Again, M-A-N-Y, many. You can always stop this video if I'm going too fast and pause it and restart it. I'm almost done with my specials time, so I gotta hurry a little bit. Okay, the next word is both. Okay, let's practice that twice. So B-O-T-H, both. And again, B-O-T-H, both. And our last new sight word is buy. Like I'm going to buy you a present at the store. B-U-Y and B-U-Y, buy. All right, and I am now ready to say goodbye for the day. You guys did a great job. Kiss your brains.